there, I was just taking a moderate walk, and welcome to the Nature New. But before you go walking in the forest like I am, you gotta know a few things about bears. Well, I'm here to talk about garbage cans. Make sure you get rid of your garbage cans. This is an improper seal. See, bears can get at it. Oh look, there's one now! Right now. Proper storage of the container. Cut to the scene. Well, I decided to stay the night camping. But first, I gotta talk about proper food storage. This is the improper way. Not good. Now I'm gonna be hungry. It's time for proper storage. Through the magic of me not showing you how I tied this, I'm going to throw it up on that tree. Now find something to tie it to, like this branch right here. And now it should be safe from bears. Well, when you're looking for bears and signs, there's footprints, but somehow, magically, we have a black bear and a grizzly bear standing right next to each other. Note the long toe arcs on the one on the left. That's showing that it's a grizzly bear. And also, if you look, the claws on the grizzly is longer. These ones are smaller. And that is a human footprint. You are not by a bear if you see one of those. Another sign of bears is scat, also known as crap. Bears have to take craps too, so we'll just try and look for... Oh my god, be very quiet. Right there. That's bear crap. So if you see this in the woods, you may be on the trail of a bear. Just be watchful. Make sure you put out your fire every day. You don't want the fire. Only you can stop forest fires.
Ugh, dude, what's that smell?
Over there, over there. The smell of a squirrel carcass. But watch out, you don't want to get too close. Bears may be looking for, maybe staring at it.